Hey everybody, I am going to show you a quick warm-up for this week and maybe for next week depending on how lazy and tired I'm feeling because I don't know about y'all, but I'm feeling pretty tired and lazy these days. Uh, we're gonna just do a quick theater warm-up. I am tired, so I'm gonna sit even though I should probably stand up, but I'm just gonna stay at my seat. So we're just gonna do a quick one right here sitting in our chairs. I want you to sit and just close your eyes, take a deep breath. Let it out. Another deep breath. All right, let's go ahead and do that with our arms up. I want you to stretch all the way up. Get your fingers all the way up and like tickle the sky. Give it a little tickle, tickle. Right, and then I want you to take whichever wrist you want to take and pull it over to one side. And just hold that stretch. It should feel so good after sitting at your computer all day long. And then bring it back up and grab the other wrist and pull it to the other side. Oh, I could do this all day long. All right, and come down. And then we're just going to do a little bit of head turns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now ear to shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do a quick shoulder roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm old and creaky, man. All right, and then we're just going to twist in our seats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now you can't see my feet, but I want you to kind of stick your legs straight out in front of you if you can. Point your toes, and I just want you to roll them around for 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, perfect. And then just point them your toes straight up like that, and then point them out and up and out, up, out. Okay, now we're good to just be focused and have some energy. A quick vocal warm-up. I like to do tongue twisters. My favorite one, my theater kids know from before, is Whether the Weather Be Cold. So I'll say it slow, and then we'll try saying it together. So it's whether the weather be cold or whether the weather be hot. We'll be together whatever the weather, whether we like it or not. So let's do it all together. Whether the weather be cold or whether the weather be hot. We'll be together whatever the weather, whether we like it or not. All right, and now you're ready for your lesson today to get focused and be practicing on those tongue twisters, because when we come back to campus, I want to see who can say it the fastest and the clearest. That's called diction. Okay.